Worried about white rice spiking your blood sugar? Don't like the taste of brown rice? You don't actually have to stop eating white rice. If you're concerned, you just need to try RiceLim. RiceLim is a natural fiber that can help increase the fiber content in white rice up to 10 times without changing its taste or texture. White rice stays fluffy, still tastes great, and becomes healthier. With the added fiber from RiceLim, carbohydrate absorption is better controlled, which can help keep your blood sugar more stable, make you feel full longer, and also help you meet your daily fiber needs. RiceLim is also super convenient. You can not only add it to rice before cooking, but also to juice, smoothies, oatmeal, soup, even into your cake and bread batter to make your favorite foods healthier. It's perfect for those of you who want to lose weight, have high blood sugar, prediabetes, PCOS, or really anyone who wants to maintain the metabolic health of the whole family. If you're still eating white rice every day, why not make it healthier? Upgrade your white rice and start taking care of your family's health with every bite together with RiceLim.